Greetings and welcome to this short demonstration of our research titled The Effects of Consultant Avatar Size and Dynamics on Customer Trust in Online Consultations, conducted by the Chair for Human-Centered Information Systems of the Gloucester University of Technology. My name is Gordon Brown and I will provide some insight into our research for this video. As part of a joint research project aiming to build a digitalized sales platform, we looked into remote augmented reality consultations, which would allow customers to receive remote consultations on a planned purchase by a real consultant. Before actually buying, any recommended products could be viewed in the designated spots in augmented reality, while the consultant could also be interacted with as an avatar. For this scenario, we were interested in the impact of the consultant avatar's appearance and behavior on the perceived social presence, trust, and consultation satisfaction of customers. We based our study on past research which delved into the influence of the appearance of an avatar used by a remotely located expert on the perceived trust and social presence of a local worker. They found that using miniature avatars in these settings results in significantly higher perceived social presence in study participants. Perceived trust was not affected. As such, we chose avatar size as one variable to examine for our consultation scenario. On the same basis, we chose to compare life-sized avatars with miniature ones as well. For a second variable, we examined avatar behavior aspects that have received little attention in past research and settled on avatar dynamics. We decided to compare avatars that could be remotely controlled by the consultant, mirroring their camera movements, and avatars that remain static and automatically look in the customer's direction. We combined the variable values in a 2x2 experiment as shown here. Here, we can see the first of our 4 variable combinations, a life-size avatar that dynamically looks and walks around when the consultant moves their camera viewpoint on their end. For the second of our variable combinations, a life-size static avatar that remains in place and always looks at the customer was used. Next, we're taking a look at the first miniaturized avatar, again combined with dynamic behavior. The avatar floats and is kept at head height to allow the customer to look in the same direction as with life-size avatars when seeking eye contact. Finally, we combined a miniature avatar with the same static behavior as with the life-size avatar shown before. Here, we can see the envisioned scenario with the consultant's avatar, a virtual piece of furniture, and a customer. We conducted the experiment as a mock remote consultation with 12 participants in total. The participants' goal was to find a suitable couch for their new living room. For data gathering during the actual experiment, we used questionnaires for measuring trust, social presence, and consultation satisfaction. We also conducted interviews to find anything the participants liked or disliked about the avatars. We used Friedman tests with an alpha of 0.05 to determine if any significant differences exist, and if so, we ran subsequent Wilcoxon-signed rank tests with a Bond-Veroni-corrected alpha of 0.0083 to find the cause. We found no significant differences in perceived trust. However, the participants reported significantly higher perceived social presence for life-sized avatars when compared to miniature ones. For co-presence, all life-sized avatars were rated significantly higher than any miniature one. We attribute this finding to the small size of the miniature avatars and them not being visible if glancing at the position a life-size avatar's feet would be visible in. The interviews showed a strong preference for life-sized avatars, with 11 participants preferring life-sized versions over their miniature counterparts. 9 of the participants picked all life-size avatars over all miniature ones. All participants unanimously preferred dynamic avatars over their static counterparts. Based on these results, we recommend using dynamic avatars in remote consultations wherever possible. As for size, we recommend going with a life-sized avatar, but further research which includes always on-screen miniatures is warranted and has been planned for our future research. Thank you for your attention.